Here we have a 2022 Cadillac CT4. Got the 4-cylinder turbo motor in it. Just gonna delete the rear muffler. Gonna leave the tips of the bezels and the bumper just as it looks. But we're gonna put a single in, dual out, white pipe configuration in there. Leave the factory resonator in it. We're just doing a little before. We all know they're pretty quiet from the factory, so we'll do the aftermath and see what it sounds like. So we're back, and you might see a little difference here. We got the rear muffler out of there, did the Y pipe like we were talking about, so it splits from 1 to 2 back into the original tips. Nothing changed back here. Customer just wants to wake it up a little bit, give it a little sound. It's all stock up front. It's got the factory resonator, factory cats. Should give it a little rumble. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's sweet. That's nice and smooth. Definitely woke it up. Nice little purr until you step on it, and then the more you rev it, the little more sound you're going to get out of it. So it sounds pretty good.